everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Josephine. If you're new here, you should really consider to subscribe. I do a lot of beauty videos and today we're actually going to organize and declutter my makeup. We're in my beauty room, so yeah, we're just going to start. I bought some baskets. I have 4 of these white ones and 2 smaller ones. I have no idea how I'm going to do this. I just know we're going to organize. I guess we're just going to put everything here on the floor and then organize it, and then we'll decide where to put everything. I think that sounds good. So let's do that. Yeah, I have no idea, but I think we're going to have foundation in this one, as we have now, and powder in this basket. They're really good. You always see what you have, and then maybe we'll put like single eyeshadows or lipsticks, and you know, we'll see about that later. We're going to clean all of the foundations, see if anything is empty or, you know, just old. Then I will throw it away. But yeah, I'm just going to clean them so it's not looking disgusting. I have no idea where to put everything. This went very extreme, very fast. So we have one more foundation here. Do we have some... Really? Yeah, here. So we have concealers in here. I think we're going to put lipsticks in this one. And lip glosses. Is this all dried? No. Because I also have these where you can put your lipsticks, but you can't really put, you know, weird shaped lipsticks in those. So I guess we just put them in here. This is really nice. It's a pixie lipstick. I love that one. Oh, this is cute. So, lip pencils. Where should we put that? Maybe in this one? Yeah. No idea. I have too much stuff. Good. Okay, so I think that was all of my lip pencils. So yeah, I have more stuff here. Okay, this is sick. I know. We take one of these and I put all of my mascaras in this one. We're going to clean this bench. This is crazy. I found more makeup. I think I will clean this up and put my brushes and all of that, and then we move it over there so it's not getting too overwhelming. This is how it's looking right now. Here we have some small eyeshadow brushes. This is pretty much blending brushes. This is concealer brushes and eyebrow brushes, all of that. Some smaller face brushes. And here we have fluffier face brushes. They look a bit greasy right now. I washed them with some oil and I don't think I should have done that. So I think I have to re-wash them. Here we have some lip pencils. This is the eyeliners, the lipsticks, concealers, and contour sticks, bronzer sticks, powders, mascaras, just tools, eyebrow stuff, single eyeshadows. Here we have primers, and we're going to organize them. Setting sprays, more tools, eyelashes, more lipsticks, and here we have completely new makeup. So let's start. Apparently we got an assistant. Are you going to clean with us? No, babies. We're just going to take everything out of the boxes, organize it as well, and then I don't know if we're going to put my new makeup in another box or something, but let's take one step at a time. So let's organize all of these. These are pretty much my brushes, so I place them on the top shelf, and then we have concealers and that, eyeliners, lipsticks and lip glosses, and my sponges. These two I'm going to clean, and this is pretty much the only makeup I'm going to throw away. These I have duplicates of, and well, I don't have a lot of space, so no, these sucked, so I'm going to throw that away as well. This is pretty much empty, and this is old. And lipsticks, primers and setting sprays, my lip pencils, this is brow stuff, the powders, lashes and single eyeshadows, some new stuff, foundations, mascaras, and these are just random tools and stuff. So I'm going to place everything up on my desk. I don't know. I also have this serum and stuff, so if I'm dry I can apply that before I start to do my actual makeup. So what's next? I don't think everything is going to, you know, fit, because when I do my makeup I want everything close. I will probably have my camera here, so we need space for that as well. So this stuff I don't really need here. It's too much. Maybe I should put it in here. And my new makeup. I really want to buy some kind of storage I can have here just under the table, so I can have drawers, so I don't have to have all of these visible. In my last video I organized this, my palettes, bronzers, highlighters, blushes, and the rest of my palettes. I'm really unsure what to do with all of my goodie boxes and glossy boxes. If you have some suggestion or idea what you can do with these, please tell me. Maybe I should buy some hobby spray and, you know, change the color of them. This one is pretty much destroyed, so I can repaint it. This is the final result. So I have a bunch of shit here, some camera stuff, some old advent calendars. Yeah, my boxes, I have no idea what to do with them. These two are pretty much destroyed, so I think I will just spray paint them. Some storage stuff, even if I want to change it up. My nail stuff. And yeah, some backdrops. Just a bunch of shit. So that's pretty much my collection. I didn't actually throw away so much, but that's fine. And I also have that storage basket thing, but I don't know what to put in that. Maybe I should place some flowers in there instead. I also have this little window. And I have those flowers. I think I'm going to take a vase from upstairs and decorate. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And of course, if you don't want to miss my future videos, click the bell and turn on the notifications. See you in the next video. Bye!